What is the gym mindset? Now, a lot of people are really intimidated when it comes to going into the gym because they don't have the correct mindset. The gym mindset is not look at how perfect I already am, look at how ripped I am, look at how amazing I am. The gym mindset is self-improvement. It is improving your health, improving your body, improving your confidence. It is not about, oh, look at me showing off at how much I look like a sports fitness model. It is self-improvement. So if you're worried that you're going to walk into a gym and because you're not perfect like a sports fitness model and you think that you're going to stand out, wrong. When you walk into a gym, you're just going to have massive respect, and that is it. Why? Because you've had the confidence to make that change, to improve yourself, to better yourself. Everyone knows you are on that journey, regardless of where you are right now, regardless of whether you can lift really heavy weights or if you're starting off at the very beginning, regardless of whether you're significantly overweight, carrying excess pounds, or if you're starting off really, really incredibly slim, it does not matter. Everyone understands you're on that journey to grow, develop, improve. Even the person with the most perfect, most athletic, most superhero-looking body in the room, chances are they started off significantly overweight or incredibly slim. Don't worry about it. We've all been there. We know what you're doing. Self-improvement is the gym mindset. Just remember that next time those nerves creep in, you do you. You're there to improve. Doesn't matter about anyone else because you're growing, developing, improving. If you have any tips on how to build people's confidence in the gym, if you've been on that journey yourself as a new starter and growing up into a more experienced gym user, leave some comments below. Help those people that are starting out. We're a family, we're a really big community. Let's help each other. Also, subscribe to this channel. Thanks so much.